In the next episode, Samnam senses the story could slow down and give Daikal and Pregal the emotional reunion they would have been tried for years rather than immediately turning every new memory into a clue. The episode may show how difficult it is to build sisterhood while one is sisters remember everything and the others remembers almost nothing. Daikel would wake up early to prepare the food Fragile once loved, repeat childhood stories, and bring out small objects from their past, hoping each one will unlock another memory. But Fragile may become overwhelmed and finally tells Daikel that begins love as the person she used to be is frightening you because she does not yet know if she tells that person Daikel would be hurt, then slowly understand she may tell Fragile she does not need the older sister back. She only wants two women standing in front of her to have the freedom to choose a new life. These conversations could be one of the most emotional moments of the new story. Arkans watching from a distance may realized that Daikel's greatest strength is no longer its sure but her ability to love without possession. This also reflects what he must learn in their relationships. Meanwhile, fragile memories could return naturally through ordinary moment. A song, a smell, or the sight of an old road may suddenly bring back a scene involving romance and another unknown man instead of violent flashbacks. She might remembers overhearing them arguing about someone named only by the essentials that details would become important later. Kivan could struggles to approach Fragile because his guilt is deeper than the Daikel. He may believe never forgiveness. Fragile could surprise him by saying she remembered enough to know that fear control all of them, but fear cannot be allowed to control what happens next. The